ywak margi ewi Lwasi mar siasa motedore kaunti no motelo ne yawo skunde odiochieng' ma kawuono. Ne giwacho ni josiasa mawuok e gwengego osechako campaigns mohiu motelo ne yiero maduong' mabiro. Bende ne giywak mokalo kaluwore gi nok mar jopuonj kaachiel gi choche e skunde ma e kaunti no ma Migori.
We've been having an engagement for the last 2 days. We are in the country for socio-economic issues, and the political issue in Migori is one of our agenda, and that's why we have such kind of forums that we engage. In fact, the forum that we have had for from yesterday to today is a forum that engages not only on educational issues or health issues, but engages on political issues.
The interfaith group in areas matters COVID to ensure that by the time the schools open, the schools are safe for the students, the pupils and the teachers.
As peace actors in Migori County, we are concerned with the latest political developments. Political temperatures have really risen in our county, and as peace actors, including religious leaders, the civil society, the media, elders, and indeed all stakeholders in peace building, we want to urge our politicians to act with a lot of restraint and avoid issuing statements that are divisive. We are concerned that already a lot of political mobilization is taking place along ethnic lines. We urge all the parties concerned and the people concerned to iron out whatever differences they may have on the BBI process in a very peaceful and amicable manner, so that those differences do not escalate into violence. We are ready to engage in the BBI process by giving up